Don't watch out for my mirror. Ow, watch out for my mirror, girl. Watch out for my mirror, girl. Huh?
Put your mirror in.
Nice and soft. Your face is nice and soft. I got nothing more for you. What? Want a piece of carrot, you? Little kook.
Why do you sit there and hold it like that so everybody can see it? I would have just cupped it in your hand.
That's a good girl. Yes. What a good little girl. That's a girl. That's a girl. What? What? I don't know. Nothing else. Nothing more. That's it. That's it, girl. Oh. Mama gave you a carrot. Mama gave you a nice carrot. Did your mama give you a nice carrot? That's it. Don't bite me. Don't bite me.
You're losing all her beautiful coat. Isn't that weird?
Man, you gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Look at this guy. You don't do that. You'll scare him.
No. I wanted my window up halfway. Forget it.
Okay, that's enough. Hold on.
No, I want to.
Hold on.
Frustrating with you. Not yours.
Oh, Jesus.
What are you doing? You're gonna choke the guy?
Oh, God, sneezed all over me. Thanks, that's enough. We've had